Decentraland versus the Sandbox. Key investment strategies for 2024. Welcome to the Metaverse realm, where the land of tomorrow promises great returns today. Decentraland and the Sandbox are leading the charge, but which one truly offers the best investment prospects in 2024? Let's dive deep into these virtual worlds. The Metaverse is booming with a growth rate of over 31% from 2022 to 2028. Both Decentraland and the Sandbox are key players in this digital real estate market. For crypto traders, these virtual domains offer lucrative opportunities. In recent years, virtual lands have experienced significant price corrections. In the Sandbox, land prices fell by 95% from 2021 to 2024. Such shifts mark ideal entry points for investors looking for immersive market gains. Decentraland offers around 90,601 plots. Its ecosystem is vibrant but distinct from traditional real estate. With blockchain ensuring ownership transparency through NFTs, the buying and selling process is streamlined and secure. The Sandbox, with over 2 million users, has an expansive reach. The platform's strategic partnerships and 166,464 available plots make it an attractive choice for investors seeking growth. Understanding property value is crucial in a swiftly evolving space like the Metaverse. Factors such as platform popularity, location, and scarcity heavily influence prices. Smart investors continually assess these metrics to guide their investment decisions. Virtual land has shown extreme ups and downs. Nevertheless, experts believe the overarching growth will continue as Metaverse adoption increases. The market could surpass $5 billion by 2026. Capitalizing on this digital expansion requires creative strategies. Creating engaging virtual experiences can significantly enhance land value. Renting out spaces, forming alliances with big brands, and participating in NFT marketplaces are powerful monetization tactics. A diversified portfolio is pivotal in mitigating risks. Keep abreast of market trends and ensure financial discipline through prudent limits and constant portfolio reviews. As you navigate the digital landscapes of Decentraland and the Sandbox, remember that informed investments today create the prosperous digital cities of tomorrow. Join the Metaverse revolution and position yourself for unprecedented success. Get involved now. Explore, invest, and interact within these dynamic digital universes. Your future in the Metaverse awaits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.